So let's just see how we can create one delete request in Postman. So for this we have to click on this plus button and it will open this new tab, and from here we can select so many different methods. So we can select this delete method. So the delete method is basically used to remove a specific resource from the server. Like we can delete a file, or even we can delete any database entry. Like in example here we have this sample delete request response. So you can see as a request we can pass any resource, and as a response it will return this status code. So here we are trying to delete this user with the ID 2. So we're gonna copy this and we're gonna paste this here. So here we are basically wanted to delete this user with the ID 2, and because we wanted to delete that, so we are using this delete method. And here we have so many different parameters, but we don't need to use them because we wanted to delete that user only. So we have to click on send. So here you can see as a response we are getting this status code 204, and it also shows the time taken for the response and the size of the response, but we're not getting any data as a response because of course we are deleting the user only. So we have successfully deleted the user with the ID 2 using this delete method. So now let's just save this. So we're gonna call this delete user. So this is the way we can delete any resource from the server by using this delete method. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Take care.